Hi everyone! This training video is going to walk you through recording and applying a voucher. Vouchers are used to support pay requests, including contractor and professional services. Also miscellaneous invoices, which act as an application for payment in order to pull money from a miscellaneous commit. As the owner financial representative, you will create a voucher or check in your own financial system of record, record that voucher record in OCI, and then pull that voucher record into the pay request. You will be vouchering these two types of pay requests: the contractor pay request, which is created by the contractor, submitted to the architect for review, can be sent back for contractor update if necessary, sent to PC review and validation, project manager review, PM supervisor review if necessary, then to owner approval, and finally to the owner for payment processing. For the professional services pay request, it's started by the architect, submitted to the project manager for approval. The architect can update if necessary, then goes to the PC for payment request validation, to the PM supervisor if necessary, to owner approval, and finally to the owner for payment processing. When you have a pay request for you to voucher, you'll receive an email notification from OCI, and you can click on the Unifier Login button to access that task. Once your pay request opens for you, you'll need to click Accept Task in the upper left-hand corner to begin work on the record. Then, we need to click the General tab here at the top, and we're going to scroll down to the Payment Requested section. In this Payment Requested section, we're going to look for the total requested amount. That amount is what I'm going to create my voucher or my check for. So now that I've got my total requested amount, I can go ahead and close this record for now. And now I would go into my own financial system of record and create that voucher. Once I have a voucher in hand, I'm going to come back into OCI, I'm going to go to Logs and scroll down to Vouchers, and then click Create. Now I'm going to record the information from my own voucher into the OCI system. I'll go ahead and click the General tab, and I'll provide a title for my voucher. You may want to title this related to the pay request or the miscellaneous invoice that you're vouchering. Over on the right-hand side, your status is always going to be paid, and then you'll choose your financial system of record, either OaksFin or maybe a local separate system. Then we need to pull in the pay request into your voucher record. So here I'm vouchering a contractor pay request, so I'll go ahead and click Select. Choose the pay request that I need to voucher and click Open. And then I can see the amount over here on the right-hand side. Next, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the voucher information section. So here I can see that my amount is plugged in, and I can also see that my line item total is currently 0. Next, I'll scroll down to Voucher Line 1 and choose the purchase order where my money's coming from. Then I'll need to go ahead and put the amount over here on the right-hand side. And then I can scroll down to the Voucher Details section. This is going to be the information that's come from your own financial system of record or OaksFin. The Oaks Voucher ID, the payment date, the payment method, and the payment amount. Once this information has been entered, I'm going to go down to the Voucher Distribution Lines tab, and this is where I'm going to add the fund code from which I'm pulling the money. So I'll go ahead and click Add. Then I'll click Select next to the fund code line. Choose the fund code where my money's coming from and click Open. And then I'll add a short description. On Voucher Line 1, I'll go ahead and enter my amount. And then in the PO reference section, I'll go ahead and click Select and choose the purchase order again. Finally, I can click Save and Close. Once my line has been added to the voucher distribution lines, I'll go back up to the General tab and check to make sure my difference is 0. So now I have my amount and I have my line item total that match, and my difference is 0. When I'm all finished, I can go ahead and click Finish Editing in the upper left-hand corner. Now I need to complete the payment processing step by going back to Tasks, opening up that contractor pay request, and then I'm going to click the General tab, and I'm going to scroll down to the Voucher section. Here I can see where it says Oaks Voucher. I can click Select, and I'm going to choose the voucher that I just created, click Open, and it's going to plug in that voucher information for me. My final step is to click the Action Details tab, verify that the workflow action vouchered has been selected, and it's going to the end step. Finally, click Send. If you have any questions, please contact us at the OaksCI support desk, oaksci@ofcc.ohio.gov or 614-644-2211.